Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this metal canopy bed. And first, I'm going to start with the unboxing, so if you are shopping for this canopy bed, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. This bed ships in this long flat box shown here, and as you can see, there are a lot of parts. So the best way to prepare to put this bed together is to organize and group together parts that are similar in size with the numbered stickers facing up. Parts that are similar in size typically get used during the same step. So in order to minimize the overwhelm, organize in this way so that you can identify parts a bit easier and make the overall assembly process more efficient. So now that you're unboxed and ready to assemble your bed, the number one tip to assembling this bed properly is to finger tighten the bolts first before finally fully tightening them. This bed only uses machine bolts for hardware, therefore the metal frame parts cannot be restricted since the bolts need to fit exactly into their corresponding holes. So to seamlessly get the bolts to fit, all of the metal frame parts need to be loose. Now, there will be many people in reviews that may complain that certain parts aren't lining up, and 99% of the time it's because they have over-tightened a bolt and it's restricting the bed parts from properly aligning to corresponding holes. So do exactly as you see me here, installing each bolt by first finger tightening them before fully tightening them. This will ensure that all the parts are even and that the bed sits level to the floor. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the bed, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid stripping the bolts. Now, to quickly review this metal canopy platform bed, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this bed is impressive as it combines both elegance and functionality. First up, let's talk about the design. This bed features a minimalist metal frame with clean lines and 4 canopy posts. The ball finials on top add a touch of charm, making it a great fit for any decor style, whether it's modern, traditional, farmhouse, or industrial. Now, what sets this bed apart is its canopy design. You can hang curtains or other decorations to create an elegant and cozy atmosphere. Just imagine dropping some sheer curtains and adding your favorite pillows and bedding. You simply can't lose. And if you're worried about storage space, then no problem. This bed comes with ample clearance underneath, perfect for storing shoes, bins, bags, and even small suitcases. It's a great solution for keeping your room tidy and organized. Let's not forget about its durability. The robust metal frame ensures excellent weight-bearing capacity, and the bed frame has 12 metal slats for strong mattress support, so you won't need a box spring. Plus, maintenance is a breeze with this bed. The powder-coated iron frame is scratch-proof, keeping it looking great for years to come. And it's easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth and you're good to go. And with a ground clearance of over 11 inches, even your vacuuming robot can easily pass through and keep the dust at bay. Now, as for the assembly, it took just under 2 hours to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, a drill isn't required for the assembly if you aren't comfortable using power tools. But for the average person, you can expect anywhere between 3 to 4 hours for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and all the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this metal canopy bed, which offers both style and functionality, and would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a stunning piece that can transform any bedroom. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.